Okay, cold start. Let's see how it goes with this timing being slightly more advanced. Dang. I missed my magnetic phone case. Made this so much easier. Okay, there we go. That's good. Good enough, right? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's gonna kick me around a little bit. Just about hurt myself too. Damn it. Why? Just want to do a short, pleasant cold start video. It will start. Just want to go for a ride. Hot out here. It's getting hot. Getting hot. That first one, shit, if I would have been prepared for it, probably could have had it going, but I was not prepared. Take this. I'm just gonna take that off for now. Damn, these cold start videos that take way longer than they should. Let's go. Let's go, bike. Let's go. Come on, bike. Come on. I want to go for a ride. What am I doing? What am I doing? What's wrong with me today? Can't blame it on the bike. Can't. Let's go, bike. We need some freaking fire. What am I doing? What am I doing wrong? This is just annoying. Trying to start this thing. Been kicking it for a bit, and man, it's gone a little bit, like a couple times, and I don't know what is up with me lately, but I keep losing it. So I'm gonna give it another go and hope it works. Yeah, this is after I advanced my timing a little bit, just for reference. I want to go for a ride. Let's go, bike. Let's go for a ride, please. Why are you doing this to me? Really? Why? Why do you keep doing that? Why? Why?